A civil authority has issued a 911 telephone outage emergency for the following counties/areas. Somerset, MD, at 4:08 p.m. on October 12, 2020, effective until 4:23 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. Westfield and Maroon areas that have a 3G cell service may not be able to call 911. The 10-digit number is 410-651-0707. It is recommended for you to use your landline phone for 911, or if you have medical conditions that may require 911 to have another person with cell services other than that service stay with you and call.